শুরুতেই আমাদের সবাই আমরা শ্রদ্ধা জানিয়েছি আমাদের ভাষা শহীদদের প্রতি। 1971-এ যারা শহীদ হয়েছে তাদের প্রতিও আমাদের শ্রদ্ধা। আমাদের বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান আত্মার প্রতি। উনি খুব কাছের থেকে এইসব সব কিছুতেই জড়িত ছিলেন। ভাষা আন্দোলন থেকে 71 সবকিছুই আপনারা সবাই জানেন। ওনার কথা আমরা স্মরণ করি এবং আমরা যেটা আমি বলতে চাই, এই ঢাকা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় একেবারে ঠিক অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট জায়গা এই ধরনের একটা অনুষ্ঠানের জন্য। আমাদের এখানেই সবকিছুতেই 1948, 1949, 1952 তারপরে সবকিছুতেই ঢাকা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় নিবিড়ভাবে জড়িত, এখানকার সবকিছুতে 71 তারপরেও। সো আমরা এই জন্য আমরা খুব গর্বিত এই ধরনের একটা অনুষ্ঠান করতে যাচ্ছি। Let me begin my welcome speech, by paying my respects to our language martyrs, the martyrs of our 1971 War of Liberation, and by remembering the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. As I said a little earlier in Bangla, it's good to have this event in Dhaka University, and I'm very proud to be the convener. And I'd like to thank Professor Ashfaq Hussain for making me the convener of this event. It's good to have distinguished speakers from abroad. Dr. John Wilson is here, and we have Professor Shajab Nag, and we have a few other speakers from abroad. Good to have colleagues from all over the city here and outside. I think there are one or two outside speakers also. Let's just remember that 75 years have passed, and it's always good to go back and look at the past and to reevaluate the past. So this conference is going to be one such event. If you have taken a look at the conference flyer, the conference programs, you'll realize how amazing the papers titles are. I think it's to the credit of the organizers. We must accept this credit ourselves, that the answer to our call for papers have brought in such an array of subjects, topics. So thank you everyone who is going to present a paper in the next few days, all of you for coming and being part of this event. I would like to welcome you all and hope that all of you will be there for as many sessions as possible in the next few days, today and tomorrow. I'd like to end my welcome speech by thanking the Karas staff, the Dhaka Embassy staff, the incredible student volunteers with their enthusiasm in this very, very hot day, bringing us all in, putting us in our rightful place and looking after us. Thank you very much.